Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing how you can mine Pi at faster rate. Yes, you can mine Pi at faster rate. Now you navigate to the left menu bar, top left menu bar. Then you move to the Pi browser. Once you get your Pi browser, you sign in. Click on sign in. It moves you to your Pi browser app. So what you want to do is you move to your profile. Now once you get your profile, as you can see, before now I have 0 friends and 0 followers. Now as you can see, I have 12 friends and 30 followers. If only you can use the method I'm about to show you, you're going to have many followers every day. And the more followers you have and friends, the more your mining rate will increase. Yes. Now let me view my friend. This morning I have another request. Firstly, I had one, I have two. Ayodeji Victor. Now I have friends request. Yes, I will accept it. The more people request and I accept, the more I follow people, the more my Pi rate increases. So go back to friends. So I'll go back. I have 13 friends and 30 followers. Now see this, find me on Fireside Forum. There's a part of Pi, let me say a mini blog, where you can post your blog and tell people to follow you. Now, one of the last time I posted 80 minutes ago was Pi followers. Let's mine together. Follow me at Femio1 and I will follow you back. Come on guys, let's go. Immediately I did that, I saw another request. So if you do this every day, you write on their post, I will show you how you do it in a minute. You keep having followers. We have people who have thousands of followers and thousands of friends, so they mine at a high rate. Now let's go back. Let's go back. And this is what I want to show you at Fireside. You see this Fireside? This Fireside is like a blog to Pi, where you can actually write some few texts asking people to follow you, and you have 1,000 people who are there. When you do that every day, at least every day, you're gonna see some numbers of followers. And the more followers and friends you have, the more your Pi mines faster. So let me click on it. Now as you can see, we have people posting. Now we have P2P Pi Fest Pi Day 2025. Like now we have about 5,677 people following this. Now for you to post, you need a token. Look at my token. Let me click on my token right now. So it's asking me I should buy token. 100 token, I'll pay 1 Pi. I don't need that. Or in alternative, I can get token for free, which this 1 token for 1 hertz. So I have to wash on a hard to get 1 token. So I need a token to post. So right now I've exhausted my token. So I have to wash, so I get 1 token. Click on wash ad. So I have to wash this ad for a few seconds, then I get one token. I can watch it as many times to get many tokens, so I could post multiple blog posts. The more you post, the more you get friends and followers, and the more you mine faster. So now I have to go back. I have to cancel. Then I've gotten a token, so I'll click on post. So in the post we have categories that are ranking. We have KYC. If you have a problem with your KYC, you can click on it and post about it. But right now it needs followers. I want followers, so I'm in Nigeria, so I can click on Nigeria to tell them, okay, let me click on Nigeria, my country. Or let me just go general. Let me go on hashtag pi. Hashtag pi. Click on pick a channel. So here I'll put there at the title, follow. Now let me say, put it this way, pi followers. Pi followers as the title, and the content I will say, let's follow each other to mine faster. Full stop. Then I continue. Follow me. You can put your username. Follow me at Femio1. Femio1. That's my username. So you watching the video, you can also follow me as Femio1. I will leave it in the comment section. So me too, I will follow you back, so we can mine faster. Then in the comment section too, you can also drop your username, so everyone will follow us. Imagine 20,000 of us are following each other. We're going to mine faster, and I will follow you back. Then according to culture, probably you need to put some sign of fire. No, fire. Where's fire sign? This is. You put a fire sign, so you're good to go. You click on post. So okay, you have no token left. I need to get more tokens. Wow, so I need to watch another ad to get a token, right? You can do this as many times a day, and the more you do this, the more you get followers and friends, which will boost your money rate. But for now, you can drop it in the comment section. We all follow each other. I will leave my username in the comment section too, so follow, so I can get some tokens for posting by watching their ads. You don't need to click on their ads. All you have to do is to cancel. Make it run, then cancel. Congratulations, you see, I've gotten a token. So I've gotten a token to post. Yeah, I've gotten a token to post. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So once I got that token, I can post. Before you start writing, you make sure you get a token first. You watch hard. You become a moderator if you want to love reading. If you love reading, you can become a moderator. You take moderation tutorial. You go to moderation dashboard to moderate. Then they give you a token for free to post your your content, so you can probably let people follow you, or you're trying to get followers or friends. So thanks guys for watching this video. If you got value, like, subscribe, and share to your friends. And don't forget, I leave my username in the comment section. Leave yours too. Let's follow each other. Let's go guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.